It's time to download your Zerion wallet. Step 1 is to double check you're on the right website. It should be Zerion.io. If it's Zerion.com or anything else, it could be a scam website. So always check the website first. Next, I'm going to download the Chrome browser extension. This will take me to the store. And then I'm going to select Add it to Chrome. Add extension. I see that my Zerion wallet has been added to Chrome. Now I can create a new wallet, import an existing wallet, or connect a ledger. For today's demo, I'm going to create a new wallet. Next, I'm going to create a password. Make sure you have good password hygiene. Use something complex. Don't use your name, your last name, or your dog's name. Next, I'm going to hit confirm password. Passwords match, and then I've set my password. Now it's creating my wallet. Next, I can back up my wallet. I am going to delete this wallet after I do this demo, but I'm going to show you how to properly see your seed phrase and write it down. This is a phrase you will need if you ever need to recover your wallet. Let's say your computer gets water on it, you decide to use a new browser, you want to import your wallet into your mobile wallet, you will need this secret recovery phrase. Write it down a couple of times and store it somewhere safe. I would not recommend storing it on your computer or a password manager. Please be extremely careful and write it down offline. This phrase sets up your wallet. It's like the master key to your wallet. You do not share it with anyone else or else they will have access to your wallet. I'm going to show you this as part of the setup, but you would never, ever, ever, ever share it with anyone on your end. I'm going to throw away this wallet after I do this demo. Now I'm going to reveal the secret phrase and write it down offline 2 times and store it somewhere safe. This is my secret recovery phrase. Now remember, I'm throwing away this wallet. Something else to note is you must write this phrase down in order with no misspellings. In order to create your wallet or to reset up your wallet on any other device, you'll have to have these words in this exact order. Your secret recovery phrase is unique to you. It will not be this one. Now I'm going to set up my wallet by putting my secret recovery phrase in the order it was written down. When I've entered these words down in order, I can verify. Now I've set up my very own Web3 wallet. From here, I can manage my crypto funds and navigate the Web3 universe.